Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at fractions. So the question reads, take the fractions that are equal to 20%. Now we've got 5 options and we need to see which ones are equivalent to 20%. So the first one we have is 1 out of 20. So you might ask yourself, how do we convert this to a percentage? So we know that it's out of 100. So if the denominator is out of 100, we have to see how do we get from 20 to 100. So we do 20 times 5, which gives us 100. And remember, whatever we do to the bottom, we will do to the top. So we do 1 times 5. 1 times 5, you know, is 5. Okay, so 1 after 20 is in fact 5%. And remember, you are asked to take the fractions that are equal to 20%. So clearly, 1 over 20 is not equal to 20%, so we'll have to move on to the second one. The second fraction reads 20 over 40. So when you look at this, you can straight away see that double 20 is 40. So you can already see 20 goes into 20 once and 20 goes into 40 twice. 1 over 2 or a half, we know, is 50%. So clearly 50% isn't equal to 20%. So again, this is also wrong. The third option is 1 over 5. 1 over 5, we already know from our previous sessions, is 20%. So is that equal to 20%, 1 over 5? Yes, it is. So that is correct. Just to show you how that is 20%, again, remember percentage out of 100. 5 times what is 100? 5 times 20 is 100, and 1 times 20 is just 20. 20 over 100 is known as 20%. So we know 1 over 5 is definitely equal to 20%. Next up, we've got 3 over 15. So when you look at these fractions, you can possibly simplify it just to make it easier. So if you know your 3 times table, you would know 3 goes into 3 once and 3 goes into 15 5 times. Oh, you can probably spot a pattern. It's in fact identical to the previous fraction, 1 over 5. And is 1 over 5 equal to 20%? Yes, it is indeed. So that is correct. And the last question is 2 over 100. So we need to ask ourselves, is 2 over 100 equal to 20%? And remember, you can simplify it, or alternatively, when you look at it, you can already tell in terms of the percentage what it's worth. So we know 2 over 100 is automatically 2%, and therefore that is incorrect. Okay, so we know that isn't equal to 20%. So 2 over 100 cannot be the correct answer. So this is just a simple way of working out which fractions are equal or equivalent and which ones are identical. So one advice I would give you all is try to convert the denominator and try to convert it out of 100. If you can't do that, see if you can simplify the fractions, because that will give you a better picture and help you work out whether it's equivalent to the fraction or not. So that is essentially what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you found this video informative and beneficial. Please subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.